باسم
in the name
الله
of Allah,
الرحمن
the most gracious,
الرحيم.
the most merciful.
إذا
When
جاء
comes
نصر
the help
الله
of Allah
والفتح
and the victory,
ورأيت
and you see
الناس
the people
يدخلون
entering
في
into
دين
the religion
الله
of Allah
أفواجا.
in multitudes,
فسبح
then glorify
بحمد
with the praises
ربك
of your Lord
واستغفره
and ask His forgiveness.
إنه
Indeed, He
كان
is
توابا.
oft returning.